Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to the Thunder Weather Storms. Today we are having rain and more rain, and tomorrow we will have rain and more rain. Is this getting old or what? I can't believe how much rain we're having. It's crazy, it's just so crazy, and I don't even know when this video will come out, so the rain could be all over and y'all just may be sitting there laughing thinking, well, it's sunshining and 60 degrees. I don't know. But welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're new, I hope you will consider watching the video, of course. And if you like what you see, like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell. And if you're my returning subscriber friends, welcome each and every one of you. I love it when you are able to stop by and visit. Leave me a comment. I'll get back with you. I truly appreciate you. I would not be here if it weren't for you. So, today what do we have? We have a little Macy's box. And we have a big Macy's box. And I'm going to open the big one first because I think I know what's in my little one. So, the big one should go first. Are you guys getting tired of the rain? I know I am. And I'm burning up. I may have to take this sweater off. I'm just having one of those old lady moments, I guess. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. It was a little bit top heavy on that one side. We have lots of paper. Okay, I have it all out. I don't know if y'all remember. If it was last week or so ago, I did my empties and I told you I was out of my favorite nighttime cream, the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night. And I told y'all if it came on sale where they dropped it on down to the 80 from like 100 or 120, that I was going to buy some. And guess what? That very day, they had the sale. And it was down to $80. I think they took $20 off. So it might have been $103 and then I got it for $83. But this is the big jar of the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night. This is the large jar. It is 1.7 ounces and a 50 ml. And it's got, beautiful packaging as far as the dark blue jar and the gold lid. It has a cover over it, and on the inside we have this very, very nice, very good moisturizing cream, and I highly recommend Estee Lauder. Now, Macy's is where the sale was going on, and I had another reason I wanted to buy. This is an intensive restorative cream, and it's a very great night cream, and it's got lots of vitamins and nutrients in it. I don't really remember all of them that are in it, but if you like a night cream that's going to be, thick, rich, and emollient, and you want to try out something new, I would highly recommend this one. Or if you feel like your current moisturizer at night's not giving you the moisture that your skin needs and it still feels a little taut or something like that when you wake up, well, then this would be an answer for that. Now, when you bought anything with Estee Lauder, they still had the BlockBuster on sale. So yeah, I got the BlockBuster. It says it's $85. I got 20% off, so my box was $68. And it's got full size of this, and I'm almost out. And do you know how much one bottle of this costs? I think the 1 ounce is $85. So just buying this box gives me my 1 ounce Estee Lauder plus my eye cream, which I know I use eye cream, and then all this other stuff. And this is one of my favorite daytime moisturizers. So I feel like I got a deal. So we're going to open this up so I can show it to you. And many of you probably already seen the BlockBusters. I mean, I'm way behind schedule as far as that goes, because I just thought, well, I'll wait till it goes on sale. Last year it went all the way down to like $37. This year it didn't do that. It might have been $57. I don't know. It was really cheap last year toward the end because you didn't even have to buy anything. They just wanted you to buy it. So this year they either didn't make as much or they had a better sale on their inventory. It's hard to say. But it comes in this nice velvet box, little carrying case, and then you've got this zipper pocket here, and then on the inside here we have something, looks like a palette maybe, but that's on the inside of that zipper. So let's open this up. Okay, it's the mascara, and it is the Estee Lauder palette. It is the Classical Glam palette, and it's the limited edition eyeshadow. So let's open this up. Nice colors. I don't know if you've ever used Estee Lauder makeup, but their makeup, their eyeshadows and all that stuff are really nice, and I can get a nice smoky look out of that. That's pretty. I love that. I like the pinks and the mauves, and you already know I use the darker colors too on the inside, so that's a great palette. And then I got their mascara. Their mascara is very good, and I'll show you the doe foot on this because I just go ahead and start using it. I'll show you the brush. I think I called it a doe foot. It's very nice. And their mascara, this is the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Amplifying Volume Mascara, and it works really good. And it's one of my favorite mascaras. I have several that I use, and it's one of them. And then now let's go on to see what's in the big zip part, which we've already seen the picture, so we kind of already know. But on the inside here are our other products. Isn't that nice? And this year they have it packaged different. It's got like a red background instead of the clear that they usually do. So we're going to have several products in here. Looks like we're going to have a beautiful magnolia hand cream and our body cream. It's a hand cream, and magnolia smells really good, and my puppies are out. It smells very pretty, and it smells like magnolias. Very nice. I have the perfume too, so that'll go perfect with that. And then we got our makeup remover, and this is the Estee Lauder Gentle Makeup Remover. This is probably the one thing I don't really care for. I don't use it too much. To me, I don't know that it's that gentle on my eyes. I do use it, but it's not my favorite. I like that prime skin that I've told y'all about. That stuff just swaps it off just really easy, and no residue, and it has hyaluronic acid in it and everything. But this here is Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Cleansing Jelly, and I have some of this in a sample, but I haven't even used it yet because I'm using some other cleansers. But this is new, and I'll probably like using that. I don't know if it's sealed. It's got a nice light scent. It's not heavy or anything. It's got 15 amino acids in it, so that part's going to be good. I like that idea. Then, of course, we have our Advanced Night Repair. This is a synchronized multi-recovery complex. My favorite hyaluronic acid. It works great. And it's 1 ounce, it says. So I can't wait to be using that. I've got my other bottle in there, and it's almost empty, so I was really needing that. So I bought 2 things that I really need. I'm really trying to be on a low buy right now, so if I don't need it, I'm not really buying too many things. And in this way, I just feel like I got a bunch of bonuses. Okay, I finally got everything out. That took a little work there. It's hard getting it out of those little slots that they have it in. But I also got my Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream, which I love this. These 2 things I use every single day, no matter what. And sometimes I use this 2 times a day. So, because you can put it on morning and night. It says nighttime, but it can be done anytime. It helps pull in the moisture. And then this is my favorite daytime cream. It's the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. I actually have 2. They have this, and they have Plus Bright, which I have one of those. I haven't opened it yet, so that may come up next. But this is just a real creamy moisturizer, and it has a nice little light scent, and it's just such a good moisturizer. like I said, one of my favorites. So this was full size, but I want to say this is like a 30 mil because the 15 mil is smaller. And this is a full size of the Advanced Night Cream right here. And then the other items that we have is we got some lip gloss, and this is like in a pink. And let's take a look at that real quick. Ooh, very rich. And this is like on a brush, so it's not on a doe foot. I don't know if you can tell that. That's the way they do theirs, it's on a brush. And then this is just a rich berry color. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Very, very nice. They have great lip glosses. And then we got two lipsticks. We got this one, and it's all decked out. You can see it. A pink. It says the color's like Saturn Rouge. But anyway, that's the color. It looks like a pink to me. Looks very pretty. I think I'll like that. And then we usually get a red. So let's see what we have here. Oh, they didn't go red this year. They went with a pink and then more like a rich mauve berry color. So very different than what they usually do at Christmas time. And this one's Celestial Mod. So it is kind of a mauve, purplish berry color, but it looks very pretty. I like that. So it's a good neutral color. So then your two lip glosses are going to go with it. So that's what I got inside there. And like I said, I got all this other stuff free. And on here it says it's an $85, which I paid $68. And it's a $615 value. So on the inside we had all of this that was there. It includes 11 full-size favorites, 1 deluxe travel, and I'm not sure which one's the deluxe travel. That's very interesting. Are they considering the eyeshadow pack a deluxe travel? I don't know. All these rest of these look full size. Maybe this is a deluxe travel size right here. Maybe the regular size is even bigger. So probably this is the deluxe travel size. The rest of everything is all full size. So that was a great purchase for $68, considering just this one bottle is $85. And even if I got 20% off and I got it down to $68 or whatever, I would still just get this one bottle. I wouldn't get all of this. So that was a great purchase, and that's why I do that every year. And it also helps me keep stocked up on Estee Lauder at a very good rate because it's very expensive. And when I purchased all that, it said because I purchased $50 worth at least, I got a free gift. So inside this box, they ship my free gifts separately. They're in here. So they're not very big, but it was free. So let's look at it like that. Sometimes it's good just to get free stuff, right? Can y'all still hear that rain out there? It's just raining. And there's 2 of these and they're the exact same thing. And what I got was the travel size of the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus, which I have the large size over here. This is the Youth Power Cream. So, and it works very good, and once again, it's going to have that nice rich tone to it, and I've got 2 of them. So those were my free gifts that I got with it. And I'll have to say, with Estee Lauder, going through Macy's and or even Estee Lauder itself, esteelauder.com, you can get some good deals, and you can have nice makeup and skincare all through the year at a reduced cost by doing these specials that they have. And sometimes Macy has their beauty I've never seen it before, but last year they had a day that was 40% off. If you ever get an email or anything saying that beauty is 40% off, go take a look, because the prices are just skyrocketing and they're crazy. And all of this cost me about $165, yeah, because this was $83, and then that was $68. Everything else was free, and I had free shipping. So with my tax and everything, it came to about $165. And you think, wow, you spent a lot on that. But had I not got any of this free stuff, that's how much these 2 products would have cost by themselves. But because they had these special deals, I got an eyeshadow pack that I really like. And y'all have to let me know if y'all want me to do a get ready with my Estee Lauder. Might have to do that sometime. But I like that eyeshadow packet. And what's my favorite in here? My favorite's going to be my skincare, my night cream, my day cream, my advanced night repair, and my eye cream. Those are my absolute favorites. And the rest of the makeup, that's just bonus. Of course, I like the palette. But that is my Macy's haul with Estee Lauder, and I wanted to share it with you because you already know I'm out of this. And I got this so I could use it now while the temperatures and the weather's all crazy and wet. Yeah, the almanac says that our area is going to be wetter than normal, and so far that's happening right now. And it's been pretty accurate, so I just hope it's not going to be icy. But I don't like the rain either, so I'm just picky, I guess. I want good sunshine weather, and that just makes me feel better. I'm just a happier person when it's sunshine outside. And I think my dogs are happier too. But guys, that's all I have today. Y'all let me know if you have a favorite of the Estee Lauder. And did you get the Estee Lauder bonus buy this year? They call it the BlockBuster, I think. So if you got it, let me know. Do you like it? Have you used all the products or some of the products? Some of my products I won't get to right away because I don't need to use them just yet, because I got things waiting in line. I've got what I call an Estee Lauder chest, and I should probably show that to y'all sometime of how much Estee Lauder I have. But there's certain things I run out of, like my night cream, and when I do, I want to replace it. And that's usually when I buy from Estee Lauder, when I'm trying to replace something that I really like and need it because I'm out or fixing to be out. But, yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, that's all I have with my Macy's haul of Estee Lauder today. Thank you for being with me. I really appreciate your time. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.